Love and light, brothers and sisters. So I'd like to discuss the recent Bashar video I uploaded, the Tesseract. If you haven't listened to those 3 videos, please go ahead and listen to them now. They are remarkable and contain unbelievable power within them. For the first time yesterday, I activated my Merkaba light vehicle, and it is incredible the power there. It scared me, or it scared the tiny shred of egoic personality left within us. Now, to begin with, I'd like to stress 2 factors which Bashar spoke on. One, that the different platonic shapes are gates, and when combined within your consciousness through visualization with color and sound, can produce various frequency changes which correspond to a dramatic shift in one's reality. Point 2 was that to achieve truly miraculous results, by human standards anyways, requires complete immersion within the visualization of the solids, to the point of being overwhelmed. We would of course agree with Bashar, and add, by way of example, that in order to break out of the mundane limitations of the 3rd density realm, one must often overwhelm or befuddle the ego. One must truly reach samadhi, or full union with the gate. This is precisely the point of psychedelics. Now, the final point Bashar made of vital importance in answering the question, will visualization of the Tesseract enable us to travel through time and through the 4th dimension? Bashar answered that it would help you remember you are already in the 4th dimension. And then he related the following, which I will say in my own words. When we see time travel portrayed in sci-fi, it's always that they move through a portal, a gate, or tunnel, or even that they phase out and in, but still they travel through time. Now, Bashar is saying this is not, in fact, the case. As we have spoken before, that time is truly non-linear, made up of infinite possible now moments, now realities, and it is our minds putting together through the illusion of past memory and the projection of our future reality through daydreaming or planning or worrying, as it were, we create the experience of 3rd density linear time, and that the belief in us moving through this illusory river of time further binds us and ensnares us within the illusion of 3rd density. Now instead, if we picture each timeline as a stream, like television channels, and we are the modulators, the receivers, and by changing our frequency, we change the show. Now, we all have experience in this to some degree, we hope. However, what Bashar is speaking of is changing your frequency so radically that your experience of reality changes 100% to a wholly new reality. Of course, we always actually are doing that, but we mean the subjective elements within will change. Earth to Mars type of change. Love and light.